research. And what we do specifically has to do with conceptual examination of the ethical and philosophical and regulatory and social issues raised by brain research. So we focus on trying to understand concepts, trying to gain some clarity when it comes to understanding the issues raised. And we do believe that conceptual clarification is crucial in order to address more applied and normative issues, or what makes us human. In fact, if you go to the statement of some of the many different brain initiatives, they at times partly justify their research in terms to the extent to which they are going to further understanding of the brain and how this might entail knowing more about what makes us human. So I find the notion of what makes us human intriguing. I think there are a number of pressing questions that require careful examination. Some of the pressing questions are not necessarily the questions that attract the most attention. Many people have a tendency to be very interested in the possibility of a superintelligence, an AI, or singularity. And I do believe that many times by focusing on these issues, we forget more immediate, but even possibly more pressing issues, such as data protection, such as potential dual uses, and so on. Within the HPP, we've been doing quite a bit on that. In fact, we do have two opinions, one on data protection, data governance and privacy, the other on dual use. However, I think that those issues still need to be addressed. We need to keep alert and need to keep doing research on them, because they definitely affect our everyday life. One of the things that I find very unique about the Human Brain Project is the role that it has given to ethics and society from the very beginning. The fact that we are a research group, we're not taken to be a damage control group, we're not the ethics police. From the beginning, we have been considered equal in doing research that will promote science for the benefit of society. One of the most fundamental questions we need to address is how to take advantage of all that neuroscience can give us. And by this, I mean not only knowledge about the brain and knowledge about what we are, but also the possibility of designing new, more sophisticated neurotechnologies. So we have to try to determine how to take advantage of those possibilities without necessarily falling into the view that neuroscience can do absolutely everything, without falling into some kind of reductivism, according to which, well, only neuroscience. So I would say it's great because there is a lot to be gained and the knowledge and the possibilities are immense. But we have to be aware of the limits as well. And I would say that probably that's one of the challenges, to take advantage without overdoing it to a certain extent.